Tell me says me I come here and I chatting with you know. Chat, you know me I pray you know though. Sad to say chat, me I pray you know dog. God no. Me nah go around chat, me I pray you know. You see from Red Antz and Annie, Data series and Annie and the whole of them come like all us out for tumble down for me. Chat. Me I get one look of feelings where it's like me I wonder if I fall, me I fall off. For true in a chat, me lose about 7 match last night and come here again come lose 7 more match. But listen me out, when me get for understand, the Red Antz and Annie and Black Antz and the whole of them series, and them I take where the gift of them. Chat, how me can put a stoppage to that? Cause I need back my gifters them chat. Nobody now come about me. Chat, how me get rid of the Ant Squad? Are them a stop me? Chat, are them a stop me for true. Me come here and it's like me have to wonder if I me at or are them at. Chat, come like them take away atness from me. Chat, right now, you know cool stuff. When the fire now keep up, I have to take piece of cardboard and fan it up so if the fire come up back. I mean that right now. Make your own series. No, for true, I have to come off with something chat cause I can't make them take what's mine. And my time is my time now. Accept it or not. Believe it. No, believe it or not, like Ripley is my time and them come to take it away. I can't sit down and make them come take away find a match my boss. I prank the net. Find a match. Oh, that match they had talk about. I think like a match, cause I just have to ask who they live, you know. Cause I think some gift you that want put on the screen. But me overs where you say find a female. Yeah, cause that such man do you know. Only God alone can come tell me say I know prank that man a boss. The man see say prank do him good. Yeah, prank bring him go far. Yeah, him always look some female and pay them off a thing. Pay them off a thing and say, listen me out, come play that game here for me. Chat, me can't do them thing that chat. Chat, my thing are for natural. Chat, you can't see me with a girl and feel like you can ask me for my girl. I know my girl, me not have no tie cuff in a girl. But the moment you see me with a girl, just try to know me and fuck that girl there. Same way like if you see me a drive a car, don't ask if a rental. I know like one time. Anything you see me with are mine. Yes, right? Yes, so I just that with me now, chat. My thing, a natural thing. Me can't come here and like a prank out my thing. Me come here and cap out my thing. Cause I know me tell 2 lie more while chat. But me not like get up every day and tell lie. Chat, me tell 2 lie just to make 2 laughing emoji go up chat. But me not like get up and just tell lies so and get up and come here and you know array with a female and me can't do that chat. You get me? Yeah, but me day me can't sleep. I saw comes my clock in a chat. Cause me and say yo, as me and show no say, me pick up on the rake and see say something not straight. But when me start scroll, it's like me see all I series them. You have one part of the series where is the Red Antz family, Wilbert family. Same family, you know, but it's split up. It's split in a few. You have the baby series and you have the senior series. Sight? Yeah, so the upper run right now. Yeah, and all me I say is chat, it can't work. It cannot work. Me don't know if I some round table talk make. TikTok police now. Yo, I saw me know say love thing a drama thing in a chat. Nowhere. Me can't meet a girl today and me start fuck her 1 week, 2 week, and the next blood clot week, you see me a weep. Eh? She a blood clot shed tears. I tell me how my blood clot all stop out for tumble down for me. I tell me about how in my place funky and frownsy and smell like pig pen. You could never blood clot ramp with me, so a blood clot prank. But me not talk against no blood clot body. What them a do, like for combo for make them money. All me know that can't real. Hey, you see the one named Blood Clot Jaden? That blood clot boy, you see him? Believe it or not, Chad. That boy undefeated. And that I fucking her? Yeah! I him a the blood clot man behind night. Cause you see say, all of a sudden, the one when named Aisha, that a Annie daughter. So she named the look one day. Yes, you are fucking face look. You can see say she a scammer too. Annie daughter. From you see it, all the blood clot dog them know. About them I answer them in a feed them own way. Them say it's true. See? My dog. Chat a beer fuck crowd one right now. Oh yes, sorry, Minka she name. Me think of Aisha. Sorry Tia. Tia, oh you not sleep. Happy Mother's Day, Tia. Happy Mother's Day. Tia, you know a whole heap of people whole heap of females out there. You know right now them heart a bleed? Cause them yam the blood clot pitney them. And for see people are go around and I wish the hard working mother them, the single mother them, where fight for them youth them. I get happy Mother's Day greeting and them now get none. You see the one Rosalie, she for glad for the two where she push out for Jakes. The rest of them she name them. Listen me out. Chat. No. You no see JBS go back at them house. Come like police have a pick on them. What me mean? What them name I get? JDF. Them go back down there. Chat, you see her? She a ball to one man I said them running pan her. But them still at the gate, chat. Yeah, JDF, JCF, sorry. Rika, what go on, Bobby? Rika, me don't know if you bring forth no pitney, but happy Mother's Day. Yeah, happy Mother's Day, Rika. You have to drink water. Me drink water, me just not drink running water from the pipe. Yeah, the running water from the pipe give my running belly. Make me have to visit the bathroom very often. Me and it not agree. I have no kids. And you come here and talk highly about that? Listen me out. You see tomorrow 5:30, come link me. I guess me I'm gonna make you 6:30. I'm from there. I guess I bring 3. No, honestly, I have twin in my blood. I feel like I give you triplet. So for the rest of Mother's Day them, we are come, people can tell you happy Mother's Day. Rika, you know what
of me coming back. TikTok boss.
Manners. Yeah, this you go wrong. Me know you no blood clot see no red nose. As your blood clot see me, you start pop laugh. Me can't bother with uno with the blood clot plus kid smile. And uno with a blood clot give me fake laugh. Where's the blood? Yeah, you send invitation, I accept. See? And I first thing that you do. Chat, listen me out. No picnic over here. You should have shame on yourself. I was about a year old. Yeah? No man no believe like say them for slam one in your head and make baby yeah? What go on? Yeah, respect. Yeah, no, most woman them all curse for true. Me know a youth, you know, that man sell 50 bag the whole entire time of him life. 50 bag. And you see which part that man come from? In a garrison. Every woman in the garrison would have want him. Cause rest away, nah have nothing. Rest away have to just hustle and depend upon our parents them like figure we a dime. So you see through him a sell 50 bag, all of the woman them in the community feel like say him have look of money. Listen me out. The man stays so boobs and connect with one of them when feel like say yo she him love. Chat. See you know say the man lock down that. As a God, you know chat, the man lock down that. The whole place know say yo a the G lock down that. See it? See it? Father room. I him you know. Yeah. See me? You see why I'm always buy weed from you? When you ask yo you see why I'm always buy weed from you? Yeah, car. You're always honest, bro. Bro, me I tell them about the story time with when you live round so and I said the 50 back then. You bro? And you connect up with the female in our place. Bro, don't lie me I tell don't about 5, 7, 8 years yana ago. Bro, me not violate, me not this year, bro. But as Yanar part, bro, see the next dog beside you, him they start fuck it as the man fuck it him breed it. Yeah, dog, most of the time, bro, you lock down with that woman in for how much years, and you can't breed that. Just believe me, something wrong. You just not fi breed that woman there, bro. You see as you let it go. You see our next man slam one in her belly. You have to wonder what did that go on. Ashley Sparta, your Mother's Day. To their Mother's